Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got a sharp vehicle here. It's been a while between the scarcity of vehicles and me working on a project. It's been a while since I've had a vehicle, but this is definitely a nice, unique 2017 Kia Soul. And as you can see, it's been modified to make it handicap accessible. Very cool vehicle. Even without this conversion package, these are great vehicle. I drove one of these for over a year. I was chasing motorhomes with one of these, same color. Great color, it's called Alien Green. It's a metallic green, very unique. It's got automatic headlights, fog lights. This was a local trade. It's got a clean Carfax. I certified it, so that means you get a powertrain warranty of 2-year, 100,000 miles for free. And we went through the vehicle, make sure everything's ready to go. You can upgrade that warranty bumper to bumper for a small fee, but it does come with a warranty. It does have a clean Carfax, Southern vehicle, non-smoker. Got keyless entry. We've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got nice cloth seats in good condition. Well taken care of. It's only got 33,000 miles, so that's very low miles for a 17 model. Whoops. Yeah, 33,438. It's got the trip computer. You can get up to 30 miles per gallon on these. They're very fuel efficient. Got your outside temperature. Oops. This here is for the handicap, the wheelchair back there. It's reminding you probably need to check back there, make sure everything's the way it's supposed to be. Just one more warning. And this is where you can release the wheelchair. I'll show you in the back, but kind of a neat feature. So we've got your Bluetooth for your phone and audio streaming, audio control, cruise control. There's all your trip computer, drive mode. You've got eco mode, sport mode for better fuel mileage. It's got nice functional but simple controls here. You've got automatic climate control. All you do is dial the temperature you want. Got touch screen radio. There's your Bluetooth. Whoop, let's cancel. Got AM, FM, XM satellite, and media. So that's Bluetooth and USB. Also, you've got your backup camera. You've got USB 12-volt outlet, a couple of them. Nice auxiliary input. Automatic transmission. I've got both keys, owner's manual. Lots of storage. Nice and clean. Let's open the back. Oh, I also put a brand new set of tires. It still had the original tires. So those are brand new 17-inch tires. And this is a conversion kit by Freedom Motors. Pretty well thought out, good quality. It's all aluminum and very easy to operate. You just lower this with no effort and just roll in there. And then your wheelchair latches on that. It's got nice rubber floor, easy to keep clean, and it won't get dirty. You just wipe it off. Got cup holders on both sides. It's a real nice, it's not all butchered up. The finish on it is really nice. Doesn't look like it's been used very much. This could also be used for a utility vehicle, like a service person. Put all your tools back there. You can convert this into all kind of different vehicles because it's got lots of cargo space now since the seats are gone. There's all your latch system. Yeah, you can tell this is all brand new looking. This is how you strap it down. All the straps are here. Very nice. And they had to raise the back up, probably put heavier suspension, modify the exhaust system. I was told it was over $8,000 conversion package. And that was pre-pandemic, so who knows what it is now, if you can even get it. I've had quite a few handicap accessible vehicle. This is by far the cheapest, most affordable. I've had some trucks that are in the $70,000-$80,000 range, or vans, 50, 60. So to get some that's ready to go for this great price, that's pretty good. So we've got the books, extra keys, got clean formats. Like I said, these are great vehicle. I've owned one for over a year. Put about 40,000 miles on one, and it's great. It's got a 1.4 liter, I believe, 4-cylinder. Plenty of power, fuel efficient. It's been serviced. Like I said, you do get a certified warranty, and I can sell you a bumper to bumper warranty for not too much money. So if you're looking for a sharp vehicle in light new condition, an affordable price, this here should do it. To see if this Kia Soul is still for sale, you can go to my website, Sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late, then it's gone. I do have financing available with low interest rate and good terms. You can fill out the credit application on the website, and I'll see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text me anytime, 731-686-8800. This is what you're looking for. Do not hesitate. Give us a call and see if we can get that shipped to you, or if you want to come pick it up. Thank you for watching, and come and see us.